In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add ChatGPT search to Google Chrome, step by step. This process is very quick, and once the extension is installed, it can make ChatGPT search access much more convenient inside Chrome. After Chrome is open, move to the top right corner of the browser window and click the 3 vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu, where you can find browser tools, settings, and extensions. From there, go to Extensions, and then open the Chrome Web Store. If your version of Chrome shows the Web Store in a slightly different place, just look for the option that takes you to Chrome Extensions. Once you are in the Chrome Web Store, make sure you are browsing extensions. Then use the search bar to search for ChatGPT. You may see several results, so take a moment to find the correct extension before installing anything. This is important because the Chrome Web Store can list multiple tools with similar names. When you find the ChatGPT extension you want, click Add to Chrome. Chrome will then show a prompt asking you to confirm the installation. Approve it to continue. The browser will download the extension and add it to Chrome automatically. This usually only takes a few seconds. After the installation is complete, click the extension logo in Chrome. This is usually located near the top right area of the browser, next to the address bar. If you do not see it right away, it may be inside the Extensions menu. Open that menu and locate the ChatGPT extension there. Now make sure the ChatGPT extension is activated. This step is important because installing an extension does not always mean it is actively enabled and ready to use. If there is a toggle, switch, or activation option, turn it on. Once it is active, the extension should be ready to work in your browser. As a helpful tip, if the extension does not appear to work immediately, refresh Chrome or reopen the browser. That can help finalize the setup. You can also pin the extension to your toolbar for easier access later. That covers everything you need to know.